Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to turn off SafeSearch in Google. If Google SafeSearch is filtering search results and you want to turn it off, follow these steps. So open Google app. Next, tap your profile picture. Next, go to settings in the top right corner. Once you're here, scroll down and go to privacy and security. Under privacy and security, select Safe Search from the options. So in here, Safe Search helps you manage explicit content in your search results. So what you need to do to turn this off is to select off, and that's it. So Safe Search is now off. If you're using your browser, so open Google in your browser, then just click your profile picture, then go to settings, then go to search settings, then under Safe Search, select off and then scroll down and click Save if prompted. So if you can't turn off Safe Search, parental controls are managing your account. Your school or workplace administrator has locked Safe Search. Your network or ISP is enforcing Safe Search, and the browser or device has parental control software enabled. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.